Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisisupport njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
EFF, DA, all small political parties combined did not defeat the ANC. Jacob Zuma did.
Ngonyaka ophelile njengoba bekunama elections, i-ANC beyiqala ukuthi ifike esigabeni la khona ingenayo majority ukuthi izigcinise u40% nje beyiqala bengakaze zicabange lokho. Kodwa uGwede Mantashe izolo mayikhuluma kule conference abebenayo oArtambo uveza isizathu ukuthi umnyombo walenkinga egcine yamenza ukuthi bagcine sebethole u40% usuka kuphi. Kule video ke manje ngifisa ukucaphunela leyo ndaba leyo ekhulunywe ubaba uGwede Mantashe lapha. Singakangeni ke edabeni lika baba uGwede Mantashe, kodwa okufanele sikubonge ngokuba khona kwe-MK njengokusho kukaFikile Mbalula ukuthi wonke lama political parties ehlangene ahlulekile ukudefeat i-ANC. Uyedwa umuntu okwazile ukuyidefeat i-ANC ayisusela ikhona azayibeka ku40% uZuma. Uyabona, fanele sibonge ukuthi uZuma wenze njalo ngoba ukuba i-ANC beyine majority, iVET ngabe u17%. iVET bekazoyibeka iproposal uminister baqeda bayivotela iphase ibe iVET ngabe u17%. Kodwa ngabe ngenza iphutha uma sengikushilo konke lokho bese ngengayincomi i-EFF kanye ne-DA ngoba ngabe iVET esinayo kulonyaka u0.5 ngonyaka ozayo ifaka omunye u0.5 bese iba u16%. iMK idlala iqhaza elikhulu ekuthenini iANC ingabi na majority. Kodwa kuthe noma sebebatholile abantu abazovota nabo ila iVET sebeyibeke khona ukuthi ibe u16%, iEFF neDA basukuma. Ngisho ukuthi akufanelanga ngincoma iMK kuphela ngokuthi ayina majority ngoba noma iANC ngasenayo majority yaphinde yaba nayo imizamo yokuthi ikhuphule iVET ibe u16% kwasiza iDA neEFF. Ngifisa ukungena kulolu daba olukhulunywe ubaba uGwede Mantashe la. Khuluma ke ubaba uGwede Mantashe uthe
every splinter party takes a small portion. Kulandelene takes a small portion. Kulandelene take a small portion. As the portions were put together, translate into an ANC that cannot get a majority. And up with 40%, we all ask ourselves, how did this happen? What we are not discussing, comrades, and I want us to discuss these things. Ukuthi safike Polokwane. It was 2007. Two strong individuals of the ANC fought it out by split the ANC into 55-45. Since then, I got in the Tiban ANC. And since then, he characterized on a division by splinter parties, COPE, ATM, close to your doorstep, as a village, no bishop, no, we title in Doya Kuzungul. Including Doya, Iguyango Sanji, was a Tandazala every evening. Now, that characterization of the ANC, the latest was MKP. Ukaga was Zomo Vule MKP led to us in the ANC speaking get tongues. When I pay for Gutwa, Sitera Gelu Mesa Begayo Usumu Petugago and so forth. Nobu Petugago Bimzinako. Awuphumi uyokwakhinxiwa ayenziwa lonto nomntana ophumuleyo okwakhinxiwa uyakhunjuzwa into yoba kowabo kupha. Now abantu bakuthi ke bayaconfuseka aba kuthiwa kune-ANC kaZuma ne-ANC kaRamaphosa. ANC ayoyamntu yeye-members zayo. Mna ndiyimember ye-ANC to the extent of my membership ndiyi-owner yale pisana incinci ilingana ne-membership yam. Nenye imember elandelayo kasidibene sirana umbutho ekuthiwa yi-African National Congress ngowethu ayingowamntu. Kodwa xa sikwi-ANC asifani nge-contribution and asizukufana kuba asizibopheleli ngokulinganayo. Na ungazibopheli ngokulinganayo, xa uyimember awufani nesupporter. Isupporter vote for the ANC, xa icaphukile it withdraws its support, ihambe yovotela omnye umntu and so forth. Imember ine-duties and obligations as per constitution ye-ANC, and ii-members ze-ANC must read their constitution. Asiyifundi la constitution as members. I can tell you, program director, ungenza i-random check apha kwezi delegates, uzawufumanisa uba very few of them understand even rule 4 lower membership. Eyona rule bayifundayo ngu-25 ngoba basoloko bezingela bephethe ityiwa befuna ugxotha abantu.
Ubaba uGwede Mantashe uveza ukuthi i-ANC yaqala ukwehlukana lapho ngesikhathi kiwe Polokwane. Ukuqheka laba khona phakathi kaZuma noMbeki ngoba kwangathi uMbeki akafuni uZuma aphathe, ilona leli ladala ukuthi i-ANC kuswa ngalelo langa ingaphinde ibe yilento yake yabayiyo. Ikhona ivideo engike ngayibona, awuthi ngibheke ukuthi ikhona nama ikhona ngizokucaphunela yona.
I'm delighted to announce that Comrade Jacob Zuma is the Deputy President. National Chairperson, he has received 2 nominations for Comrade Patrick Terry Potter and for Comrade Steve Twete. Comrade, who do these nominations?
Mawubona nje ubuso bala madoda amabili uyabona awajabulile. Ngibuyele emazweni kaBaba uGwede Mantashe ukuthi noma kuthiwa uyahlupha ushiyi kwenu. Futhi uhlala ukhunjuza ukuthi kini kulapha ya. Kodwa kukhona isikhathi la sifika khona sikwenza ukuthi ukuze uphile kangcono. Yithi ukushenxa kancane.
Zuma decided to break the ANC and divide it, and he's not going to stop about it. He decided to break us and reduce us below 40%, and he doesn't have a program of action of what he's going to do with that 40% except sending a questionable judge to parliament.
Ngiyafisa ukuba abantu abangama-members omkhonto wesizwe party bebezoyiqonda le nkulumo esho ufikile embalula la. uZuma wenza yonke lento ayenzayo intentionally ngayo. Kumanje uthatha i-ANC wayisenkantolo ngoba ufuna ukuba yimember ye-ANC. Intentional. Inhloso yakhe ukudisrupt i-ANC ngayo yonke indlela. Kodwa bekungaba ngcono ukuthi ukuba uZuma uyenza yonke lento iqembu lakhe li-in order. Ukuba abantu abangama-members we-MK party bebeqonda ukuthi ukuhlangana kwabo nokubumbana kwabo benza izinto ngendlela eqondileyo kuyi-threat engakanani ku-ANC, fana ngabe bazibamba ziqine. Kodwa uma i-MK party vele njengenkundla yosomathuba yokuthi mawuye khona uzokwazi ukuthola isikhundla, abantu begcine belwele izinto ezingenamsebenzi, batrende for ama-reasons are-wrong, bengakwazi ukuxazulula inkinga zabo ngaphakathi bafuna ukuzixoxa ku-social media, balikhe yonke information nama-meeting abahlala kuwo bayilikhele ku-social media, iy'ndaba ze-National High Command zikhulunywa abantu abangasiyingxenye ye-National High Command. Lokho kwenza ukuthi i-ANC ikhululeke. ANC i-aware ukuthi umuntu okuyena owakwazi ukuyehlisa ibeke la ikhona uJacob Zuma. So i-ANC ayikho into eyithokozisayo njengokubona lezi zinto ezenzeka lapha ku-MK. Ngenza le video ngoba ngithi funa ukuthi kubantu abangama-members we-MK, bukani umsebenzi osuwenziwe. Bukani ukuthi ngenxa yokuthi uZuma wavula le MK kwenzakalani ku-ANC. Bukani abantu base-South Africa. Iyiphi political party eyathi iqalwa less than a year ikhona yaba yi-third biggest party nationally? Iyiphi? So uma ama-members we-MK party angeza ukuqonda lokhu, le potential ebonwa ngabantu ngani, leli themba elingaka abantu abalibeke kini ngoba bethi cha naba abantu abazosikhipha emaketangeni e-ANC ngoba i-ANC sidlale ngathi isikhathi eside kakhulu, okubuhlungu izogcina iwini i-ANC. Ngibuka into eshiwo ubaba uGwede Mantashe ukuthi yazi makuphuma la maqembu athatha bona labantu, bona laba ebebenivotela. Yebo, uFloyd akeze ukuhamba nabantu abaningi, kodwa le ngxenye ezophuma ilandela uFloyd ile ngxenye bekufuneka ivotele i-MK. So angazi abantu bakhona. Yebo kuhle ukuthi abahambayo bazosala bayincenga bakhona, kodwa kubukeni ukuthi kuyapi. Into efike yaba interesting kimi ukubona ivideo eyenziwa uFikile Mbalula ekhuluma ngemayibuye. Ngicela ukucaphunela nabe sesivala ivideo.
Zuma has got a name in society for himself. At least he's got support now. Why is he not having a party called it Zuma Maibuye? We have something like that. I mean, why is he taking our stuff? I mean, he's got a name for himself. He can prove at least support. We have, unlike people who speak from outside, they've never tested their support. He's got support. Makabe ne party yaka ibize ZM Zuma Maibuye party. We have, that will be fine. The ANC will never go there. Will never go there. You call it Umkhonto Wesizwe. That is our heritage. We will fight for it and then bring it home. And that's what we are doing.
uFloyd i-consultation ayenzayo for i-political party uma ngabe abantu bethi akayivule izoba imayibuye. Interesting le ndaba. Asiyibambe le video, ngiyacela ukuze uphawula kwakho la ku comment section. Ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Ulike ivideo, ngiyacela ulike ivideo, comment ushare. Ungasupport ukujoin membership, ungasupport ukusidonate noma ngamalini, ikhona i-account kwi-comment ephiniwe. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.